Hi everyone, we meet again. So, how are everyone now? I hope everyone's are doing fine. So, hari ni I nak sambung our next lessons. It's a multiplication of two matrices. Okay, last time we already learned how to add and subtract a matrix and multiply a matrix by a number. So, today we're going to learn multiplication of two matrices. Okay, now how to do? Look at the example. Example A, 4, 2, 3, negative 4 times 1, 2. Okay, so how to type? Ini syarat dia. Okay, now listen carefully. The first matrix, kita kena ambil row. Okay, now times matrix kedua, kena ambil column. Means that first matrix kena ambil row times dengan column. Okay. Now, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Okay. So, 4 times 1 plus 2 times 2. Okay. Why did you have to plus? It's because 4 and 2 here is in the same row. So that's why you need to plus. Okay, now done. Done with the first row. Okay, so now second row times with column. Okay, now 3 times 1 plus negative 4 times 2. 3 plus 1 times negative 4 plus 2. Okay, then we solve it. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8. 3 times 1 is 3 plus negative 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is negative 5. Okay, done. Now, ingat syarat dia mesti, kalau darab, syarat dia mesti matrix pertama kena ambil row, matrix yang kedua mesti ambil column. Okay, now look at the second example. 1, 3, 4, 6 times negative 1, 2, 5, 7. Again. Okay, first matrix kita kena ambil row. So, darab dengan column yang pertama. Okay, so 1 times negative 1 plus 3 times 5. Okay, so 1 plus negative 1 plus 3 times 5. Again, why do you have to plus? Because 1 and 3 here are in the same row. Okay, now done. But you look here, matrix yang kedua ini ada dua column. Jadi, so awak kena darab lagi sekali. So, the first row ini darab pula dengan the second column. Okay, 1 times 2 plus 3 times 7. So 1 plus 2, 1 times 2 plus 3 times 7. Okay, so we're done with the first row. Okay, so now ambil pula the second row. So second row times dengan the first column. So 4 times negative 1 plus 6 times 5. So 4 plus negative 1 plus 6 times 5. Okay. Now, since dia ada second column, you all kena darab lagi sekali the second row ini dengan the second column. Okay, again, 4 times negative 2 plus 6 times 7. So 4 plus negative 2 plus 6 times 7. And then we solve it. Okay. Negative 1 plus 15 equals to 14. 2 plus 21 equals to 23. Negative 4 plus 30 equals to 26. 8 plus 42 equals to 50. Done. Okay, now look at example 6. Okay, remember the first matrix kena ambil row and then times with column in the second matrix. Okay, now first matrix kena ambil row and then times dengan column. So 4 times 2, 4 times 2. This time kenapa tak ada plus? Sebab 4 ni dia datang single je. Okay, dia tak ada nombor dekat sebelah dia. That's why you don't need to plus. So it's only 4 times dengan 2. And then the second column is 5 kan? So 4 times 5. Okay, done dengan the first row. Ambil pula the second row. So 1 times dengan 2. Sorry, negative 1. So negative 1 times pula dengan 5. Okay, so now we solve. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, this one is wrong. Nanti betulkan. Okay, it's 8. So 4 times 5 is 20. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Done. Okay, so this is all the exercises. Okay, but I akan jawab for you a few questions. Okay, now again. 4, 5 times 2, 3. Okay, now remember the first matrix kita kena ambil apa tadi? The first matrix kena ambil row. Okay, and then time with column. It must be like that. Okay, so 4 times dengan 2. Okay, now tak ada plus sebab 4 ini dalam the first row dia sorang-sorang. Dia tak ada kawan. So tak payah plus. Okay, now 4 again times dengan 3. So 4 times 3. Okay, now ambil pula the second row. So 4 pula. 5 times 2 and then 5 times dengan 3. So 5 times 2 and then 5 times 3. Okay, so kita solvekan. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 3 is 15. Done. Okay. So, the rest nanti boleh tengok example dekat atas. Okay, but then before that, I nak tunjuk you example D. Okay. Now, again, how to times two matrix. Mesti the first matrix kita kena ambil row. Darab dengan the second matrix kena ambil column. Okay. So, 1 times dengan 5 is 5. Okay. This time kena plus ke tak payah plus? Kita kena plus. Kenapa kena plus? Sebab 1 dengan 2 ini duduk dalam row yang sama. Okay. So, 2 times dengan 6. So, is 12. So, apa the final answer? 17. Okay. Boleh? So, itu saja untuk hari ini. Nanti the next lesson I akan ajar you example yang lain pula. Okay, so now your homework for today is we do again Buat balik soalan A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so itu sahaja. Until we meet again in the next class. Bye.